Do you need expert assistance to repair your Apple computer? At iTech Express in California, they provide guaranteed service and genuine Apple parts. This store helps in software installation and data recovery for Macbook and other Apple products. Expect complete Apple service including computer upgrades and installation of SSD and hard drive. They offer repairs and replacement services for Apple as well as Windows computers, smartphones, printers, and monitors. They have fully stocked genuine Apple parts to finish the repair without any delay. Get detailed cost and time estimates from their experts. To know more, call them at 626-777-4747 or visit itechexpressinc.com now.